on hand. The idiom on hand is used to describe something that is readily available or easily accessible. It refers to having something present or nearby, typically to be used or dealt with when needed. This expression is commonly used to indicate that someone or something is ready and able to help or provide assistance. Here are some examples to illustrate the usage of on hand. 1. I always keep a first aid kit on hand in case of emergencies. This means that the person keeps a first aid kit readily available or easily accessible, so they can use it when needed. 2. The restaurant has a wide range of vegetarian options on hand. This suggests that the restaurant has a variety of vegetarian dishes readily available or easily accessible for customers to order. 3. The teacher had extra worksheets on hand for students who finished their work early. In this case, the teacher had additional worksheets readily available or easily accessible to give to students who completed their tasks ahead of time. 4. We need to have a lawyer on hand during negotiations. This implies that it is important to have a lawyer readily available or easily accessible to provide legal advice or representation during the negotiation process. Overall, the idiom on hand emphasizes the idea of having something readily available or easily accessible when it is needed. It can be used in various contexts, such as preparedness, availability of resources, or assistance.